Have you ever walked away from your Tesla, turned around, and wondered, did I actually lock that car? It's a common anxiety, right? You're not alone. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of Tesla auto lock features. Let's clear up the confusion once and for all. Tesla, being the tech-forward company it is, has multiple ways to ensure your car is secure when you step away. The most basic is the manual lock. A simple press of the button on your key fob or a touch on the car's handle, and voila, your car is locked. But what about auto lock? Does it happen automatically? Let's break it down. First, there's a walkaway lock. This is a feature that automatically locks your car when you walk a certain distance away from it. The distance can be adjusted in your car's settings. So, if you're the type to forget to lock your car, this is a lifesaver. But remember, it's not foolproof. If you walk away slowly or with your key fob in your pocket, it might not trigger. Then there's the auto lock when in drive. This feature locks your doors once you've reached a certain speed. It's a safety measure to prevent accidental openings while on the move. However, it doesn't mean your car is locked as soon as you put it in drive. It's after you've picked up speed. But what about when the car is parked? Does it automatically lock after a certain period of inactivity? Well, that depends. While Tesla hasn't explicitly stated a standard auto lock timer, many owners report that their cars do indeed lock automatically after a few minutes of inactivity. But again, this is not a guaranteed feature. Now, let's talk about the Tesla app. You can lock or unlock your car remotely using the app. It's a handy feature, especially if you're unsure whether you locked the car. You can also set up custom lock actions, like locking all doors except the trunk, through the app. But here's the thing, technology can sometimes be unpredictable. There have been reports of Tesla's auto lock features acting erratically. Some owners have complained about their cars unlocking on their own, while others have found them locked when they expected them to be open. So, what's the bottom line? While Tesla offers several auto lock features, it's essential to rely on manual confirmation to ensure your car is secure. Always double-check by physically locking the doors or using the key fob. And remember, technology is a tool, not a replacement for common sense. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.